Family is everything to me. Nothing is more precious than the bond we share, the memories we create, and the love that connects us across generations. At DIMR, Digging My Roots, we share that deep appreciation for family. Our mission is to help families preserve their legacies, explore their heritage, and build an interactive family tree that can be passed down for generations. By supporting DIMR, you're not just contributing to an app, you're helping families connect with their past, share their stories, and ensure their legacies live on. With DIMR, your family's history is safe. Store meaningful family stories, voices, and images, and preserve your legacy for generations. If you represent a school or business offering services to children and families, your donation will give you access to our announcement area within the DIMR app. This space allows you to promote your products and services to families using the app. This is an incredible opportunity to connect with parents and showcase the value your business provides. We are committed to keeping DIMR free for all users. This feature allows families to add up to 10 members to their family tree without cost. Your donation will help us maintain this free feature for life. Your support will help keep our prices low and ensure that families can continue to build their family trees and preserve their legacies for generations. Support us today by clicking the link below this video or the donate button. Every contribution brings us closer to making this invaluable resource available to more families worldwide.
Digging my roots. We share that deep appreciation for family. Our mission is to help families preserve their legacies, explore their heritage, and build an interactive family tree that